Okay, how's it going? Jason Bennett of Chemistry Surfboards. We're here at Camp Shred.
SLAW!
So first off, we have our new model, which is the Zen 4.1, and it's a play off our Zen model, which is right here. This is the original Zen, Zen 4, and which did really well for us. 4-channel, double wing pulled in, flatter rocker, and it was a hit. Everybody put it on, really liked the board, paddled well. Is user friendly. So we had great feedback for the last year and a half on this board. So beginning of the year, we came out and we're like, let's play off this board. It went really well, so we developed the 4.1. So in this model, what we did is we took out the wings, we took the channel set, we moved it up to made belly channels, and we added a twinser set to it. So a little bit more versatile. You're gonna get, you know, you could ride as a twin originally, or you could add the twinsers, which you're gonna get a little bit more speed out of it. You're gonna get a little bit more squirt out of your turns, and you also are gonna get a little bit more stability. And added with these, the belly channels kind of adds that too. You're gonna add a little bit more speed out of it and a little bit more stability. And also another change we did, we added a little bit more entry rocker, kind of helping it in a little tighter waves to give a little bit more curve, when the curvier waves to give it the fit in there a little bit better. So I'd say from the Zen 4 to the Zen 4.1, you're gonna get a more high performance version out of our Zen model with the 4.1. So we recommend this board ridden 2 different ways. We have it ridden, you can ride it as your groveler. So like this one's a 5.6, and we tell people if you want to ride the Zen 4.1 as a groveler, which would be for your spring, summer months in California, you would ride it 2 to 4 inches shorter than your shortboard, and that would be your groveler. So it's gonna be shorter, so it's gonna fit in those tight, smaller waves. You're gonna ride it a little wider than you usually do, so you get your plane and the speed. And with this low rocker profile, you're already gonna get that extra squirt of speed from the low rocker. So the combination of the shorter board, the low rocker, and with the fin configuration, you're gonna get a great groveler. And like I said, you're gonna run that, you know, ride that 2 to 4 inches shorter than your normal board. Now for the winter months, you know, we would graduate you into the same model, you know, for fun. And what we would do is we would stretch it out. So you would take, you know, you're going back into your normal board, and excuse me, and you would ride this board 2 to 4 inches longer than your other board. It's gonna long out your rail line. It's gonna add a ton of paddling power. So say there's, you know, you come to your, you know, your fall, winter months when it's like bigger, maybe slopier, it's crowded. You're gonna have a paddle beast where you're able to compete with the crowd. You're gonna be able to paddle in the waves easy. You're gonna get your wave count up, and you're gonna have fun. You're gonna have the same, like, you know, speed out from the twin, the stability if you want to run it with the twinser setup, and the stability of the channel setup. So, like I said, very versatile. You can ride it shorter, you can ride it longer. And the best place to find out information would be chemistrysurfboards.com. We have every model on there, the size, we have a volume calculator on there, fin options, size options, everything. So that would be the best place to check our models out, and then to follow us at Chemistry Surfboards on Instagram. We'll find kind of what was most current, what we're doing at that moment, because we're always modding a lot of our models. We'll take a model, we'll mod it, and our Instagram page will be like our most updated media that we have.
SLAW!